Things that I would have you gather to show that you have been residing in the United States for the past 10 years. Of course, tax returns with W-2s. Those are the easiest, those are the most straightforward. But what if you don't have those? You can use bank statements. You can do letters from employers, birth certificates of your children, all of your children's school and medical records. You're the parent. It's going to indicate the address of where your children live and they live with you. Traffic tickets, parking tickets, toll road tickets, bus passes, plane tickets in the U.S. Other thing is financial stuff. Being in the U.S. and sending money abroad, like Western Union. You have to be in the U.S. to send that money, so that would help. Let's not forget social media. If you've been doing social media posts, it usually shows your location. So I would look into your social media and see if you could put, like Snapchat, your locations, Facebook, your locations, TikTok, your locations. Don't underestimate that. Pictures are fantastic, but they're usually secondary evidence because the government is not going to be like, well, this is a picture. It could have been taken anywhere in the U.S. But if you have landmark pictures like from Disneyland, from New York, from things that are very iconic places in the United States, you could definitely use those. Okay. Court records, not forgetting divorce records, divorce decrees, child support records. Any court orders would be very, very helpful in this regard. School records in. So if you went to different schools, you can contact each school district and go ahead and get the school records. Let's see, what other things, my Lord. Utility bills showing your addresses, phone bills, I said probably health insurance. Remember, notarized declarations or people's statements are going to be very important, especially to overcome some of the gaps. If you have like gaps in physical presence, like you have 5 documents from 2017, but you have like a 4-month lapse, you're going to want to have your declaration that is very succinct. And I would say you would want to break it down to be like, in 2014, I lived here, I did this, I was doing that, 2015, I was doing this, is where I lived, I was doing that, and break it down. The immigration office hates disorganized applications. And when I do applications, I put in like green sheets or bright colored sheets between the years and put the documents in and very, very organized. Remember, if you're a stay-at-home mom or you don't have a lot of things on with your name on it, look to the children's records, the immunization records, the birth certificates, the school, the medical records, sports. If you enroll the kid in sports and you're picking them up from school and from sporting events, that really, really helps. Before the Parole in Place program opens up, you should be doing everything you can to get all of your 10 years documents ready. Remember too, when you apply, you're going to need a birth certificate, and that's going to be translated, and your spouse is going to likely have to put their birth certificate as well as maybe a U.S. passport. So if you don't have those and you're searching for those, including your marriage license and marriage certificate, just get onto the internet, try and order duplicates, go to places, pick up duplicate documents. Like, share, and follow. I'm the Immigration Queen.